Horizontal pumping systems are cost-effective solutions for several oil and gas applications. However, operating these pumps in remote locations as part of automated drilling operations can lead to failures without advanced warning, greatly impacting production. Fortunately, automation solutions from Lone Star can continuously monitor the performance of horizontal pumping systems, detecting degradation and clues to potential failure. Combining this predictive analysis with prescriptive actions, Lone Star gives operators the power to know when and how to service their equipment and avoid unforeseen downtime. Lone Star analysis software is platform independent and can be deployed at the site, at an aggregation point, at remote locations, or in the cloud. Leveraging historical oil field data, our analysis software has predicted multiple horizontal pumping system issues up to 2 weeks before actual failure. Using predictive, prescriptive analysis, operators ensure their pumps stay active and keep their wells productive for better profitability.